This video will give an overview of how to set up a N6 plus total station using resection method. When the total station is not located over any of known point, resection helps to define the coordinate of station from measurements. It requires at least 2 backside points with distance measurement or 3 backside points with angle measurement. Now, choose the resection under Data Collect. Today we will use 3 known points to calculate the station. Enter the station name, code and instrument height, like O1. Press Enter to confirm those settings. Let's measure 3 points with angle for resection. Those points can be selected from memory or entered by manual. Let's select WP1 as the first point. Press Enter to confirm the coordinate. Aim at the target center. Click F3 angle or F4 coordinate for measurement. And then, let's repeat the steps for the second and third point. N6 will calculate the residual error for horizontal and vertical distance. Click F1 next to measure the fourth point, or click F4 calculate to check the residual of calculation. Press F4 to record the coordinate as station. Then let's go back to check the station. The coordinate of occupied point has been updated.